bulk save multiple rows of data that you'd like to use in your app from a spreadsheet such as Google Sheets or Excel. You can do this through the bulk save action flow. In this sheet, I have some data of the type entity company that I want to bring into my app to do different things with. For example, create a list view of companies or add map markers. First, let's create a new screen and call it bulk save. Add a data tile entity. Let's drill in a bit. Now go to your Excel spreadsheet, copy the rows of data that you desire, bring it into your app by opening JSON editor, pasting the data, parsing the spreadsheet, and now you have your data in the builder's data table. We can add a field by showing the entity here and save the table, and now you'll see a data table with the records that you pasted in from your spreadsheet. Now that we've brought in the data, we have to save it. Saving includes creating a bulk save action and then invoking this action by attaching a button to it. Saving multiple rows of data is a standard action in our library, and this can be retrieved by clicking on the action tile, creating a new action called save multiple. And we will connect the data table with the in-params of that action. We need to now invoke this action by pressing a button, so we would need to bring in a button from our cards library. There are plenty of cards, but there is one that we can use from the base design system called button text only. Bring that in here and give some text to it, call it save. Notice how we did not bind any cards or components to our final layout view because the screen is purely going to be used to save bulk data. Now let's attach the button to the action. So this flow here indicates that when this button is pressed, the action to bulk save is invoked. Now let's publish our app. And now the screen is functional. So when you click on this button for save, the data is saved in the app. We can check this by querying the data by clicking on a query tile, creating a new query, entering in, keeping your menu on main because you're querying data that is in this app, and selecting an entity called company. Now you'll see all of the records that you pasted in from your spreadsheet. Now you're ready to use this data of type company in your app.